Good morning, this is Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. It's Friday, May 25th. Hope everybody has a great holiday weekend. Here in Chicago, it's going to be hot. Overnight, prices were a little bit better. We had corn prices up about 6 to 8 cents. Wheat's trying to be up about 13 to 14 cents, while soybeans are up 3 cents. Outside markets are relatively quiet, with the dollar lower and most commodities trying to bounce a little bit higher. Not a lot of new news overnight. I think that some people feel that this week's break in prices was a little bit overdone, and that we're going to have to look ahead at especially the weather to come up with new price direction. Weather's kind of interesting this time of year. We have some warm, dry conditions into the weekend. Next week, one model, the American model, brings good rains across most of the U.S. Midwest. The European model, which most people tend to look at, is not as wet. It looks like long-term maps are trying to bring some dryness back into the U.S. Midwest the first week of June. This would suggest to some that maybe prices are a little bit low if all this weather happens. The world weather, parts of the Volga Valley in Russia remains dry. The northern China plains are mostly dry, but they might get a few showers early next week. We did see the International Grain Council lower their estimates of world corn production and world wheat stocks, probably more than what the market is trading. So we'll have to watch that. China announced that their May soybean imports were a record 7.7 million metric tons. This was 2 million metric tons above what they were forecasting. So it looks like demand in China is better than what people are thinking, and better than what maybe their economic data would suggest. So again, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services or ADM. And I hope you have a safe weekend and a profitable trading day.